Hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Sorry about that. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple, easy tricks to do on a fingerboard. Now, first of all, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a fingerboard. I'm pretty sure I don't have a fingerboard on me. No, there's something in my pocket, I don't know what. Ooh, perfect. Tech Deck. I recommend, if you're going to get a fingerboard, you get it from Tech Deck. Tech Deck are the best making community for fingerboards. Like, look at. What I do not recommend is getting these fingerboards that aren't made from Tech Deck. Like, bruh. Like, yeah, got a cool thing there. But do you want to know what's not cool? Is that how easily these break. Like, look. I was like in a box full of broken things of these. So I thought these were Tech Decks. And I realised I was literally just bawling my eyes out. So then I came across a random Tech Deck at a store. So I bought it. So I just recommend you get Tech Decks, guys. They are my #1 best thing ever. Okay, anyways, let's get to the shredding. Now, as you can see here, I made my own custom skate park. It's pretty empty, I will be adding more to it. So, let's just get shredding. So, 3 super easy tricks that I would recommend for beginners. Let's do this. So let's get shredding. Okay, so I have to put this closer. Gee, this is so hard, guys. It's just my dad. Okay. So, just gonna start off simple. Now, the first thing you're gonna learn, easy trick. Don't need this. Is I need you to learn how to do an ollie, guys. Ollies are really simple. I mean, yeah, when you start off doing ollies, I don't expect you, as a beginner, to get an ollie like first try, like amazingly good. But ollies are really simple. You see, like, look, I'm doing an ollie right now. I'm getting the most airtime a skateboarder has ever got, a fingerboard or whatever. See, that's got like a 5,000 airtime boost. So stuff like this. See? See, got that. And voila, you've learned how to do an ollie. Consider yourself impressive. Consider yourself impressive. Okay, anyways. Now, I'm gonna do a trick. You can use like a box for this or a book, but I'm gonna use this part, my mini skate park, for this trick. So what I want you to do is, first I want you to learn how to do a nose grind. Actually, I'll probably 5-trick video. I'll do a 5-trick video, sorry. So I'll teach you the first trick. I'm probably gonna, you need to learn how to do a nose grind. If you don't know what a nose grind is, it's this. Do one. Sorry guys, technical difficulties. Can you nose grind on this? Yeah, you can. See? Just like that. Sometimes you will get stuck, but trust me, it gets easier as you go along. And eventually, you can move up to even harder grinds like this. See? So anyways, well done, you've learnt how to nose grind. Good job. Also, I'd love if you could just click off full screen and hit that subscribe button and that like button. You'll have good luck for 7 days. I'm talking about you, Owen. Oh, you too, James. You too. Don't think you're lucky. I'm finding you. Okay guys, sorry about that. I was just having a mental breakdown. Anyways. Next trick I want you to learn is like tree flip. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. That was a heel flip. One. This is a tree flip, guys. Nope. It's very hard. I'm still a beginner, guys, so don't expect me to be a pro. Go watch like Turbo Toy Time. Those guys are absolute pros, professional W fingerboard. As I highly recommend you watch this tutorial, then their tutorial. I'll put a link into all their channels. It's called Your First Day Fingerboarding. Very fun. I was literally watching it 5 minutes ago to learn these tricks. Okay, anyways. The next trick I want you to learn is I want you to learn how to do you gotta be fast, guys. How to just do, what should I teach you to learn? Heel flip. Heel flip. Okay. So this is how you do a heel flip. What you're gonna do is you wanna see like that. You're gonna quickly take off your fingers and then go and heel flip. The way that, so you see, you just learned how to heel flip. It's pretty hard the first time, but guys, you'll start getting it. It's pretty easy actually. Like look how many times in a row I'm getting this. I like to call it a roly-poly flip since you sort of go like this. So here's how to kick flip, guys. This is your 4th trick. What you're going to do is you want to quickly take off your 2 fingers and put on your hands there. I don't actually know how to do a kick flip, but this is how I do a kick flip on here. And you're going to do that. Earlier I was showing my mum how to do a heel flip, but I accidentally got like a perfect kick flip. It looked really fast and it landed perfectly. And I was just like, I landed perfect. That wasn't what I was aiming to, but I landed a perfect kick flip. Woo-woo. Okay, just gonna, get hard at first doing kickflips in my way, but as you can see, you learn. You learn. You learn. You learn. Simple learning. Okay, now it's time for the fifth final trick. What I want you to do, this is your final trick. What I want you to do is, I want you to do on your run, I want you to do ollie and then land like a massive ollie. I want you to finish it off with a massive ollie. That's what I want you to do, guys. This is what I mean by a massive ollie. You guys can't even see me. You should be able to see me better now. And voila, guys, you just learned how to do 5 simple and easy tricks. You can pause this video whenever you need. Keep in mind, now I've given you some homework. Your homework is to practice all these tricks. I will then be doing we'll be doing some other fingerboard videos in the future, but this is my first one. So yes, I hope you loved today's video, and as always, have an electrifying day.